Welcome all. This is our paddy farming progress details recording in farmOS series. This is our paddy package of practice. Uh, we selected Amman Pony for this session. This is the input and actions we'll do on the time we planned and actual uh, event happening time also we are recording. Uh, these details we are going to recording via farmOS. In this video, we marking plant asset and land asset. We have two types of land. One is nursery field and main field. Only that paddy crop only. So we go to mark the land and crop asset in farmOS. First, we going to mark land asset. We must give unique name for the for each asset because in future we when we sorting it will be more helpful. This asset does not have a parent asset. This asset is a location because it can hold other moving movement asset. So this is location and this asset is a fixed because it have intrinsic geometry also. So we're searching our location. Yeah, it is navigating near to our location. Here came that location. Just we are marking via polygon tool. We have only 20 cents for that paddy crop. This is active asset. Okay, we just save that asset. So we created main field. Now we create a nursery field. It's a field only because we are using just for that time only. Other times that field is owned is managed by others. Okay. It doesn't have parents. Location is location and it's fixed only. This is our nursery area. We just using polygon tool. I don't have images also. This is active asset. So we marked the land assets. Now we going to mark plant asset. Before marking plant asset, we should mark seasons and plant type, crop types also. in taxonomy. Which is the road one. And here we save that one. Now we create a plant type. Term. This is not a root, but now we just put it as a root. Raise a crop family. Days to transplants, 20 to 30 days. We put maximum days 30. Days to maturity. After transplanting, it will take 70 days. And not 70 days, 100 days. After 10 days for harvest, it doesn't have companion. I don't have a reference and the files also. We just save that. We are going to add another days to include initially is 30 days and maximum is average is 70 days. Only the 100 days for that plant lifetime. After 10 to 20 days, it will be harvested. Okay, this is the common for rice. It don't have. So I just saved that. Like the plant type, we should add seasons. Other than this 12 month, we have another two specific seasons for okay. Another term we are going to Rabi. It's also roots for me. So here we go to plant assert. Crop variety. Company. Season Rabi. Mediate variation crop. Crop. Parents. It doesn't have parents. Location. This is not a location. Also, it's not a fixed recipe. Yes. We created that NPA rice. Okay. Amantonitra. Season Rabi. All are done successfully. Thank you. We will meet on another session.